Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and these are the new LIFX tiles. These are really interesting tiles. They're unlike others that I've seen in that they actually have colors inside of them individually. So you don't have to have one color per panel. You can have multiple colors within each panel. So they were nice enough to send these along. It's not a sponsored review, but they did send these, so I wanted to take a look at them. And it works with HomeKit, Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, and Nest. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what we've got here. We'll open this up and take a look at what we have. So we have a little pamphlet here, and it's got a setup with a setup code for HomeKit, and just kind of shows you what you need to do. And then we've got 5 different panels. So let's take a look at one of these. You'll see it's about an inch thick or so. And then on the back we have some command strips. So we'll need to figure out where we want to put these on the wall. They're a little bit thicker than I thought, but each one of these is individualized as far as what lights can be on inside them. They're not just one solid color per panel. So let's put this back for now. And then we'll remove this, and looks like we've got a power adapter here. We've got some cables, so it looks like one of these is for the power, and then we've got a bunch that go from tile to tile. Now we've got a bunch of AC adapters depending on where you live. This one's for where I live, so I'll use this. See, it goes in like this and clicks in. And then it looks like we're going to take one of these, plug it in, and then go to a wall tile. So I need to figure out where I want to lay these out, put them on my wall, just using command strips, make sure they're level and look good, and then we'll go from there. Now each one of these panels, I'm covering up my code here, but each one of these panels has Velcro with a command strip on them, so you can figure out where you want these or place them differently depending on what you want to do later on. So these sit in here really firmly, and each one of those will connect. Now, if we look around the outside, you'll see right here, this is where we're going to plug in our AC adapter from the next panel over and route it around wherever we want it. So I'll get on to mounting these on the wall, and we'll take a look at what they look like. The app is really useful and straightforward. If you go into LIFX, I have some other LIFX products here. I have an LED strip, but if I go to the tiles, you'll see there's the arrangement of my tiles, and currently they're off. If I just spin this up here, you'll see the light will change. It gets much brighter here, and if I slide over, I can adjust it to whatever I want as far as settings for lighting around my area where I'm recording. So maybe I want daylight. Maybe I want cool daylight. I can turn that up, or I can turn it down. It just depends on whatever I want to set it to. So it's really simple and straightforward. That way you can arrange your tiles however you'd like, and then go into create, and you saw me change some of these. So if I want peaceful, it changes to peaceful, and then I can do solid colors and everything else. So I can tap on this one. Maybe I want this one to be yellow, or an orange or green, or whatever you want. You can change it, and it will change accordingly. So it's really very nice and straightforward. And then you have all of these options as well, along with a strobe. So you can make a strobe go off, leave it on, go to pastels, whatever you'd like. And it's very simple and straightforward. There's a lot of programmable things you can do. And also you can use Siri HomeKit Amazon Alexa or Google as well for the assistant, and just ask it to turn on or off. And I use that all the time. And you can see it's shifting here on its own just through a bunch of different colors. It's a very simple, straightforward, and intuitive app. So that's it for LIFX Tiles. Let me know what you think about them in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and like. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.